Progress on the Winnie. Alternator's mounted, power steering's mounted. Wes got all the power steering lines installed this morning. We got to finalize their routing and everything, but they're all where they need to go in their home. Oh, I saw you. Okay, so we got that. That's the one that's a return, Wes. When they come,
on the truck.
We'll swap that, yeah, with them. Wes just bolted the shroud on after painting it to the radiator because mounting up the rad is coming up pretty quick. Ooh, almost done. Then it's back to wiring hell. Oh, I cranked down the headers and they now clear the leaf spring perfectly. We gotta figure out how we're gonna run all our wiring for a starter and everything, which is pretty easy. It's looking good. Very productive. Upper radiator hose is located. It just needs to be tightened down. Lower hose is on and clamped. Power steering pump, as you can see, is in. We've checked the belt fitment there. We're good. We're waiting on a belt for our alternator. This is a one-wire alternator, by the way. So all the field and all that regular nonsense that's up in here can go bye-bye. Get rid of all that excess wiring. Figure out why we have a double positive lead. Chase it down, get that done. Wes assembled the fan and fan clutch, that's ready. Got a lot of little details done today. Kind of figured out where the vacuum that we need to go, the vacuum tube's gonna go. Got all of our, getting there mocked up, cutting out our wiring, getting things organized. Should be making noise soon. Oh, that's, and our carb is mounted, by the way.